Hi, I'm Ben Ueda, and today I'm going to be talking about the RYOBI Speed Bench. I really like the versatility, and not just as a job site workbench, but I can also use this as a tailgating table, use it for gardening, or even craft displays. It has a 400-pound capacity as a workbench or table, and a 300-pound weight capacity when one uses it as a cart. All four sides of the table are open for edge clamping, and there's some really handy reference lines in both standard and metric for quick measurements. It's also compatible with the link system with 4 mounting points around the table. This is great for having tools and hardware easily within reach, but also out of the way. It also has a really durable build with 10-inch all-terrain wheels that are great for going up and down stairs or on really rough ground. It has a steel frame, 3/4 inch thick worktop, and anti-skid feet, which adds durability to the versatility for building just about anywhere. Some of the details that I really like are the tool-free detachable release knobs, which makes it really easy to store. But for me, my favorite thing about the Speed Bench is the versatility. I can use it as a work table to knock out some shelves, or I can move heavy pieces of concrete that I'm using in the construction of my new home. I even have one set up to use as a portable miter saw station. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment if you have some thoughts on this, and don't forget to subscribe to RYOBI Tools USA and my channel, Homemade Modern.